Declan O'Reilly here, also known as the GHO Wizard, and I am back with you with an awesome tutorial on the Conversations tab in the Go High Level dashboard. Now, I'm going to show you what this is and why it's important, how to set it up, how to use it, and just give you a general idea of, where everything's at so you can properly manage this and get this set up, but more importantly, so you can sell this to service-based businesses or use this for yourself, because this is a huge perk of High Level that is extremely underutilized. It is seriously magical if you get it set up right, because it will save so much time. But before I really jump in, I just want to ask you, please, if you like these videos, if you like anything, please just subscribe. Help a man out. Please like the video. Drop a comment if you have any questions at all, and DM me on Facebook too if you have any questions about how this works, how you can set this up, or if you have questions about a client and you need help and whatnot. So you can do that. But let's jump right in. So really, first you're just going to want to navigate to Conversations. Okay. It's going to pop up like this. And basically what this is an all-in-one dashboard for basically all messaging and all conversations from one place. So I'm actually going to hop on over really fast. I have a slide, but if you just explain this a little better so this makes sense. This is just better visual representation. You know what I mean? We all have that kind of like little bit of autism. This just helps us understand much better. So Go High Level Conversations. Yeah. So the Go High Level Conversations tab is a tool that helps service-based businesses manage all of their client communications in one place. It integrates with social media, email, and text messaging, creating a central hub for every conversation. This ensures that all client interactions are organized and easily accessible, simplifying communication and improving response times. Like I said before, it's all in one dashboard, so everything is connected. So you send out one thing, you can answer email, text, all of this stuff, and it's super powerful. And that's why I created this other little thing. And there's other things you can connect to this, but from just one dashboard, okay, you can answer text messages, you can answer emails, you can answer Google My Business messaging, you can answer Facebook DMs, you can answer Instagram DMs, all from one place, as opposed to having to go on a platform right here. So you're hopping right here, yeah? You're hopping on SMS, messaging people. Then you got to close out the account, then hop over here, or your tabs, or computer, mobile, whatever you want. Then you have to go over to Google My Business. Then you have to, log out, log into the Facebook app. And then over here, none of that. It's all done because it's in one place. And that's what's so beautiful about this process, is it's all in one dashboard. So you can answer all of the messages from one place, which means you can save a ton of time, potential for AI chatbots to just scale up and take all the messaging, and having everything in one centralized place. So right here, now that you understand the basics of how powerful this is, it starts with the first tab, which is the Conversations tab. And this is where the text, the email, the Google Business, the Facebook, the Instagram, it all gets pulled into one centralized place. And right here, as you'll see, it'll start with this, and this will be the list of your messages right here. It'll have unread, which is just everything that's unread. Recents, which is everything that's recent. It's basically like an iPhone or a phone in general. Starred, which is anything which you put up here with the starred, and then all, which is just everything. So when you just click on this, you'll have access to all of this right here. This is just because I'm using a different account for this. So the page is I don't really do stuff from it, unlike my personal and whatnot. So this is just for the sake of the video. But usually it'll have a thing right here where you can answer. You can basically send any sort of file right here. You can send any sort of emoji. And you can send basically any what's called a text template, which I'm going to show you how to do, and then collect money and then add extra things there. So it's super easy to send messages like that. And then if you like it, you can mark it starred. If you want to mark it as read, you click that. And then if you want to delete this, you just click delete. Boom. And the email is gone forever, or the text or whatever it is gone. So now basically you have, okay, now it's loaded. Over on this side, you have all of this other info, okay? And this is basically, text messaging, or not text messaging, but their emails, their phone numbers, all of the info on the side, any sort of tags if you want to add automations. Basically all the info on each contact will be right here. So say if you click this guy and you want to find out more, you have all of the info right here. And if you want to add them to add automations, pipelines, it's all right there. So it's super, super powerful and handy. And then filters, if you want to filter stuff down just to see, like, I just want to see what's in Instagram, I just want to see what's in Facebook, I just want to see this, or pipelines. That will basically make this a much easier process for you to see. But other than that, it's really simple. It's just stuff like this right here. And then you plug it all in and you're good to go. Now, if you're wondering real quick, because I'm assuming that you already have this set up, but if you're wondering like, oh, how do I do this and how do I get all this stuff? You're just going to come to Launchpad, and whoever's sub account and you basically want to just set everything up, and it will pre-populate in conversations. So you don't really set up conversations, you set it up here. So you want to come in here, you want to make sure your Google My Business is connected, you want to connect your Facebook, which by the way will be connected to your Instagram. You don't really connect your Instagram, you just connect your Facebook and Instagram because it's all meta. So you connect that through here, and then obviously get, you know, your email set up and your text messages set up, depending on what you're doing. Whether that's already set up with a white label, or if it hasn't been, you want to set that up. But once you get those set up through here, and this is how you set it up, it will already pre-populate in here. And then any text that comes through will pop up here. Any email pop up here. It's more of a byproduct. So you don't set this up, but you set it up elsewhere. So just in case you're wondering and you want to get this feature for a client or whatnot, that's how you get it set up. Simple as that, very straightforward. You just plug in their social medias and plug in the email stuff, so you're good to go. So basically that's it in a nutshell for the unread and the conversations tab. Now we're going to move on to manual actions. So manual actions, you know, you can do it for follow-ups, any sort of pipelines. This is stuff that you can't automate. Yeah, this is stuff that you can't just have in a sequence or something triggered. It needs to be, you know, hence the word manual actions is stuff that you have to do hands-on. So that can be following up, sending extra emails, checking in with people, adding them to automations. It's simple stuff like that. So you'll be needing that basically depending on if you have automation set up or whatever you're doing to basically make sure nothing falls through the cracks and you get all of your leads and whatnot. Then you have template snippets. This is dope. Okay, this is so awesome. Basically what this is, and I showed this just a little bit before, it's a pre-made message that you send out. So this is great if you have VAs, employees. Now, chatbots aside, because that's going to solve a lot of this, these are great for when you're just following up with people to quickly message them. And what it is just a template. So if someone is always asking you what your business hours are, you have a message that just already has the business hours, as opposed to you writing all that up or copy and pasting. You just click it and it's sent. So I'll show you in a second, but it's basically a perfect way for you to have pre-made messages, which will save you and a service-based business owner so much time. Like, this is seriously going to save you hours of time, especially if you have a ton of lead flow. You just pop it in and you're good to go. So let's get this set up. Okay, so you're just going to click Add Template right here. Add Text Template. No, not Text Template. We're going to do Email Template. Add Email Template. Let's just do Declan. Let's do Declan. Subject. Test. This is just for the sake of the video. Test. You put whatever, or, welcome, whatever. Now, guys, by the way, you insert what you actually want. This is for the video, so yeah. But what you can do too, if you want to get really sneaky, is you can basically attach, like, you could do like a voice memo or something really sneaky if you want to send like more, what's the word? Signature stuff that's more powerful. And then you just come right over here. Come down to the message, and right here, so this thing is being disabled, it's been done, but right there you'll just click it and you'll be able to send it, which is awesome. Like, you'll look pop up, it pops up, and you just click it and send it. So right there you just click that and you're good to go. How easy is that? How straightforward is that? It literally doesn't get any easier than that. And that's a super, super powerful way to, just have tons of different messages set up so you can just churn and burn with leads, have them handled, give them a little more of a personalized touch using voice memos or videos, so you can just take people, move them down the pipeline, and just close. Because if you're hiring a VA or you're hiring someone to do the work for you and you're trying to scale up, guys, this is golden right here, so make sure you're staying with me here. If you're trying to hire up, if you have these SOPs in place where you already have a bunch of the messages, you can hire people that are more stupid, to do this, because it's not complicated. They just have to know when to send the right messages. And yes, nothing is completely automated, but this helps so much. So last but not least, we're going to move into trigger links. So this falls into the automations category, and you can add automations to it, and there's a lot of stuff right in here. But basically, trigger links are things that basically I don't want to use the word trigger other things, but it's like an automation, if this, then that sequence. So this is great for if someone books a call, then immediately sends them something else. It's a link you can send that's going to basically start a whole process of things, whether that be getting them in a course, whether that be invoicing and sending, asking for a review. It's a whole bunch of other stuff to basically manually, or not manually, but set that process up so it's much smoother. And that's where you can add a lot of automations and whatnot. You just click add link to add that, and you're good to go. Very simple. simple. It's just like pop and you put in whatever. So that can be super powerful too if you're trying to sign people up quick, invoice, all that other good stuff. Last but not least, one thing I do want to mention, and this is just, these are last 2 points. These are really good sales points. If you're trying to make money, listen up because this is going to help you a lot. With this, you can add an element of automations too to automate certain conversations. Not that that's going to be fully ever automated because there's always people asking random things. It doesn't, but you know, you can always go into automations, and I have other videos coming out on this and add an extra spicy part, which will really help. But I want to pull up one more slide and show you some benefits of this and why this is so important. Because it's not enough for you just to go, okay, and then you're going to get all this and explain all this stuff, because it's very complicated to a client. I want to show you ways you can kind of dumb it down to show them why this is so important. So let me pull up my last slide. And here it is. This is the benefits. This is so important. There's a reason I have benefits equals $, because I see so many people when they're trying to sell this or use this, they don't talk in benefits. And this is just a huge important part that I really want to make clear, because this will help you a lot. So, because they have to know what the benefits are. Also to you to understand why this is valuable. So number one, saves time. No need to switch between different platforms to manage communications. Like I said, you don't have to be jumping on Instagram to Facebook to here. It's all in one place. That will save someone tons of time. Saved me a ton of time, I'll tell you that much. Increases efficiency. Keeps all client interactions in one place, making it easier to track and respond. Huge right there. It enhances client experiences. Yeah, so it provides a seamless and organized communication process, improving client satisfaction. Like I said, with the text templates, you can send proper things that are more geared towards that one-on-one approach, which will definitely increase sales, definitely increase the way you handle them, especially if you're onboarding. That can be huge for onboarding clients. Last but not least, this is huge, guys. This is something I really want to go over, is a potential for a huge amount of money in the AI chatbot realm. So you can basically handle all communications, further streamline the process, and ensuring prompt responses. If you were to connect an AI chatbot to this thing, and you might have to use Zapier right now because I know that's kind of what I'm doing right now, but soon enough, Go High Level will have it in one place where you could have an AI chatbot answering all of the messages from that one dashboard. See, because if you're going to use an AI chatbot, you would have to have it on Facebook. You'd have to have it on Instagram. You'd have to have it over here on email and text. That's hard to do because that's different integrations, different platforms. But see, with the beauty of this is it's all connected in one place. Think about it. Everything would be in that one place. So one chatbot could be an assistant answering message after message, which means you would have infinite scalability. I mean, infinite scalability. Do you see how just fucking incredible that is? And that's something that can work. And it's something that's already set in place, because with multiple platforms has other problems. But with this, that's the future. And I'm telling you, that is money. Okay? Absolute money. So that's really it in a nutshell, guys. Seriously, I had a ton of fun explaining this, and the conversations tab and Go High Level is just so important to learn. I'm telling you, to use this for service-based businesses so they can handle all their lead flow is just critical, and you want to learn this ASAP, and you want to start plugging this in. So last but not least, guys, I do have a free trial to Go High Level below. Click the link if you want to sign up. If you have any questions at all, DM me on Facebook, seriously, about anything. I can help you for free. I can help to get certain stuff, set up and point you in the right direction, so I can really help you get this stuff moving. And then basically, yeah, always subscribe, please. It helps me out. And like the video. And like I said before, any questions at all, anything at all, drop a comment or DM me on Facebook. So guys, that's it. That was a summary and some basic benefits and why this is so important for the conversations tab and Go High Level. But other than that, guys, I appreciate you being here. Declan O'Reilly will see you. The Go High Level Wizard will see you. And I will catch you in the next video. I'll see you later.